Hey y'all, I want to tell y'all something. So here's what happened, okay? Y'all know my friend Devin, okay? My friend Devin. Okay, I've been talking about him. I've been telling y'all I had a crush on this bitch. Whatever. I'm gonna tell y'all all my personal stuff. It's not even important. But I'm gonna tell y'all anyway. Because this bitch called me a gremlin, bitch. I gotta get it out. This bitch called me a gremlin. I was making out with him. And then he looks at me and he goes, "You're like a gremlin." Or something like that. And I was like, "A gremlin?" He's like, "Well," and then he said I was a monster. And I was like, "What do you mean I'm a monster?" And I started crying. What? Why would you say that? So, after that, I gave this guy another chance because I'm too nice. Okay, so that was the second time we made out. The third time was yesterday. So yesterday was fantastic, okay? And I told myself, if he does anything fucking weird, okay, you know, because I asked him, "What the fuck did you mean?" And he goes, "I think gremlins are cute." Why the fuck you call me a gremlin? I'm not a gremlin, bitch. You're a gremlin. But anyway, I don't want to be a fucking gremlin. You can be the gremlin. I'm serious. But anyway, so I gave this bitch a chance because the first time we made out, he was like, "Call me beautiful," all this stuff. And then I think I might have made him mad. I don't know. Who knows what I did. But anyway. So we gave this bitch a chance. So yesterday we went out to eat and the bill was $79. He paid for all of it. Plus the tip was $15. And then afterwards we went to the flea market and he got me a video game that was $21. So yeah, you know, I'm giving my heart to this fucking motherfucker. We hope everything will be fine. Right? We hope everything will be fine. You ever just, you're too nice? That's me. That's me. I'm too nice. Oh, a gremlin. You're a gremlin. I see it though, and that's what makes me angry. Why would you say that to me? No, here's my, I'm not even gonna say it, but my theory was that our frequency was at the same frequency, and mine was negative that day, and I think that's why that happened, because I was thinking negative thoughts about him. But now they're becoming more positive, so maybe you know how human beings are connected and all that stuff. Maybe the vibe. You know how people talk to you through their vibration. Well, I wasn't being very nice. And maybe that's why. In my head. Vibration and all that stuff. Well, because I wasn't being nice because the first time we made out, this stuff happened and all this shit. It's personal. But this one, I'm angry. You're lucky you better not say it ever again, bitch. But anyway. But yeah. So that's what's going on. Who knows what's going to happen. We made out for like 9 hours. That part's great. Foreplay's great. Last night was great. I'm not gonna lie. Okay? I've never made out with someone for 9 hours. 9 hours! That is obscene. 9 hours. And last night, it was hot. Okay? I hate this shit. No, but everyone has their ups and downs. You gotta really just pick your poison with these fucking twats. And I'm tired of playing games. I'm ready fucking for commitment, bitch. So if I gotta deal with that, well, fucking so be it. But at the end of the day, he said, well, what my initial why I was so upset was because I thought he was trying to insult me. But he told me he wasn't. So I went ahead and gave him the benefit of the doubt. You're welcome. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys posted. Okay? I know I look nuts. Oh, God. But yeah. So that's rude, isn't it? Yeah. People say rude shit. I don't know how many times people have made me mad. Not just him, just people. Just people. Everybody. It's not just one person, it's all of them. You just gotta deal with it sometimes. Everybody's got their own little shit. You know? Everybody I know said something insulting to me. Whatever. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I've been trying to manifest a guy like this for a long time. Okay? Not just a guy like this specific guy specifically, but a guy like that specifically as well. Because, yeah. But anyway, he told me, sorry, I need to be by the fan. I'm talking loud. So he told me, sorry, it's hot. He told me the first day we made out, before that happened, he said he felt like he was falling in love with me. And I felt the same. I really did. Really? And then I told him, I know exactly what you mean, but this thing happened, you know, it's personal. I don't even want to talk about it. It was during sex and, you know, just it was made me cry. And no, it wasn't rape. Okay, that's not what we're talking about. It was, we were doing stuff and then, you know, he cried and I cried. We cried. It was just an emotional thing, and, you know. But I gave him a chance after that. Then after that, we went on a date the next time, and we went to the furniture store, and then we went to Little Sheba's, and he got me a salad. And then he was calling me cute, yada, 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 beautiful, whatever. Gorgeous. Okay. And then I was laying on the couch. I don't know if this had something to do with it. I was laying on the couch with him, and, you know, I was just looking at him. I don't even know. I don't know if I made him upset, if I said something weird, if I just insulted him. I don't know. After that, you know, here's what happened. He said something along the lines of, I don't like looking in the mirror at myself. And then I cried. And I told him that's so sad. Ah! Does that sound like an insult? Because I cried. Is that why he said it? I don't know. You know, I mean, I think if someone were to cry, it could be an insult. Could be a compliment. I don't know how he took that. But, you know, I don't know. I just don't know if that had something to do with it, if I insulted him, but that's, and then he called me a gremlin. You fucking bitch. Called me a gremlin. You're a gremlin. I looked up gremlins. I kind of see it. That's why it makes me angry. I don't want to be a gremlin. And I told him, Devin, never call me a gremlin. Never call me a monster. It sounds like an insult. Okay? Sounds like an insult. But I gave him another chance. Look at me go. Look at me go. This time, it went good. Okay? It did. I didn't cry. He didn't cry. We both didn't cry. It was great. So, we're going to hang out again next week. I mean, he spent like $100 on me. That was really nice. I mean, he didn't have to do that. I told him before we went out to sushi, I was like, sushi's really expensive. And last time I went there, the bill was like $7 $70, $80. And he goes, oh, that's fine. And I was like, okay, well, whatever. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's gonna happen. I have anxiety. I'm still slightly insulted, but I'm getting over it day by day. You know, even when we were making out, I was thinking about it. But then again, there's some of my friends that have said some stupid fucking shit to me too. And I'm just thinking, like, is everybody just saying this shit just because they can? Or what's going on? Am I a bitch? I don't know. Maybe that's it. I don't know. But, but anyway. So yeah. That's what's happening. Don't give me advice in the comments. Don't tell me, oh, you shouldn't see this person, blah, blah, blah. Don't do it, because I don't want to hear it. I can make my own decisions. If I make a mistake, I can learn from my mistakes, just as other people. Sometimes people say shit and then it sounds rude when they really didn't mean it like that. And that's really the facts, because I say shit that sounds rude when I don't mean it like that. I do. So we're just gonna take it with a grain of salt and see what happens, okay? I'll keep y'all posted, okay? I said posted. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I just wanted to rant and complain about that! I needed to get it out. I think I needed to get it out of my system so I could just not think about it. You know? So I could just not think about it anymore. But anyway, I don't want to be a gremlin. No, I don't. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.